So we're back. We're about to try finish up our little tutorial diorama. I feel like it's been taking a long time, but yeah, sometimes it does. So let's work at it. We're about to finish up this section right here, like we spoke about in the last video, and let's see how it goes from there. We're gonna use that same shade that is on there. Hopefully it turns out to be good. I think it might be looking good. Just gotta cut it down and see the finished product. Alright, so now that piece is done. And yeah guys, I think it's actually gonna look pretty good. Just imagine like if you're looking at a rooftop, you're really not gonna see the back side of it or the top part of it. You're just gonna see the actual edge of it. So it should be just fine. Now we gotta see what we're gonna do with this door. I bought a smaller sticks. Hopefully they can attach to it. I can make a little, I was thinking like a rolling door. I'm not sure how it's gonna work. Never actually done an actual door like that before, so we'll see from here and we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, a few of these ones I already cut. We're gonna start with those, see what we can get done. Also letting you know guys, I bought the little package with like 100 of these crab sticks at the dollar store for like 99 cents. So good deal, save you some money, and we'll see how it goes with it. Okay guys, so I'm not sure how this is gonna come out, but we'll see. So I'm just gonna cut through it, and then let's see what I can do with it. Alright guys, so pretty much this is gonna be it. We're gonna paint it a little bit different. That way we can work with some color contrast. But for sure, we're gonna use the matte Podge this time, and we're gonna see what kind of result we get from it. Again, little package of 4. Bought them at Walmart at 97 cents, so good deal guys. Alright guys, so the first coat of the matte Podge is already there. I went a little bit generous on it just because I wanted to cover all the cracks. Hopefully that takes care of it and we don't have to spend a lot of paint on it or trying to cover it up. So let it dry and see how it turns out. Alright guys, so it already dried up. So now we're about to make some paint, mix it a little bit, try to make a little bit different color tone just so it won't blend too much into the background, and we'll go from there. Alright, so we got some kind of color here. Still not gonna be too different. We don't want it to like take over the image. At the same time, we don't want it to be the same. So let's put it up and let's see how it turns out. Hi guys, so second coat, just try to give a little bit more of a different tone. Hopefully not too different. And also to cover all the wood cracks or left over from the paint. So we'll see how this turns out.
Two hours later.
Alright guys, so now we're about to glue it on, and that's what we're gonna do for today. We're still gonna do some side rails right here, something just to make it all make sense a little bit more. But yeah, it's almost done.